Left-handedness has long been a subject of fascination, mystery, and sometimes even superstition. With only about 10% of the global population identified as left-handed, it stands out as an anomaly in a world dominated by right-handed individuals. Despite this relatively small proportion, left-handed people have contributed significantly to culture, science, and art, often displaying remarkable skills and unique qualities. So, what exactly is left-handedness, what causes it, and what are the characteristics that distinguish left-handed individuals from their right-handed counterparts? At its core, left-handedness refers to a preference for using the left hand for tasks such as writing, eating, and throwing. This phenomenon has been documented for centuries, with historical records showing that left-handedness has been both celebrated and stigmatized throughout time. While left-handed people are sometimes perceived as odd or different, they are, in reality, no more unusual than their right-handed peers. In fact, research into left-handedness reveals intriguing insights into the workings of the human brain and the ways in which our bodies and minds are wired. The causes of left-handedness remain a topic of ongoing research and debate. While scientists have made significant strides in understanding the phenomenon, no single factor has been identified as the definitive cause. Instead, it appears that a combination of genetic, environmental, and developmental factors play a role in determining whether a person will be left-handed. One of the most well-established theories regarding the cause of left-handedness is genetics. Research has shown that left-handedness tends to run in families, suggesting a hereditary component. In fact, studies have found that if one parent is left-handed, their children are more likely to be left-handed as well. However, the exact genes responsible for left-handedness remain elusive. It is believed that left-handedness may be linked to the way the brain develops during pregnancy, with certain genetic factors influencing which hand becomes dominant. Beyond genetics, brain structure and function also play a crucial role in determining handedness. The human brain is divided into two hemispheres, each responsible for different functions. In most right-handed individuals, the left hemisphere of the brain controls language and fine motor skills, while the right hemisphere is more involved in spatial awareness and creativity. Left-handed individuals, however, tend to have a more symmetrical brain structure, with both hemispheres playing a more equal role in controlling motor functions. In many left-handed people, the right hemisphere, which is typically associated with creativity and emotional processing, plays a larger role in controlling hand movements. This unique brain wiring could be one of the reasons why left-handed people sometimes exhibit different cognitive and personality traits compared to right-handed people. Interestingly, left-handedness is more likely to occur in people with certain prenatal conditions, such as those who were exposed to hormonal imbalances in the womb. Research has suggested that exposure to higher levels of testosterone during pregnancy may increase the likelihood of left-handedness. Some studies have also pointed to the fact that babies born prematurely or who experience prenatal stress may be more likely to be left-handed. This further suggests that environmental factors during fetal development can influence handedness. While genetics and brain structure are significant contributors to left-handedness, the role of environmental and cultural factors should not be overlooked. In certain cultures, left-handedness has historically been stigmatized, with left-handed children often being forced to use their right hand for tasks. This practice, known as forced right-handedness, has led to a suppression of left-handedness in some societies, although this trend has lessened in recent years. Although left-handed people share many common traits with right-handed individuals, there are some fascinating characteristics that distinguish them. Many of these differences are related to the way the brain processes information. And they can manifest in various aspects of life, from cognitive abilities to social interactions. One of the most well-known characteristics of left-handed people is their creativity. Numerous studies have shown that left-handed individuals tend to excel in creative fields, such as art, music, and writing. The unique wiring of the brain in left-handed individuals may contribute to their ability to think outside the box and approach problems from unconventional angles. The fact that both hemispheres of the brain are often involved in processing information could allow left-handed people to integrate logic and creativity in a way that right-handed people may not. This ability to see the world differently has contributed to the success of many famous left-handed artists, musicians, and inventors, including Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Paul McCartney. Left-handed people are also known for their problem-solving skills. Because their brains are often more adaptable and flexible, they may be better at coming up with innovative solutions to challenges. This trait can be especially valuable in professions that require critical thinking and the ability to approach situations from multiple perspectives, such as engineering, architecture, and science. Another characteristic that sets left-handed people apart is their spatial awareness. Left-handed individuals often have superior hand-eye coordination, which can make them more adept at tasks that require precision, such as sports, surgery, or working with machinery. Their ability to navigate and manipulate objects in space is often more developed than that of right-handed people, which can give them an advantage in certain physical activities. However, being left-handed also comes with some challenges. One of the most notable difficulties faced by left-handed people is the design of everyday objects, which are often created with right-handed users in mind. For example, many tools, such as scissors and can openers, are designed to be used with the right hand. This can make everyday tasks more cumbersome for left-handed individuals, and in some cases, left-handed people may have to adapt or find specialized tools to accommodate their needs. Socially, left-handed people can sometimes face challenges as well. In cultures where right-handedness is the norm, left-handed individuals may feel marginalized or pressured to conform. Although attitudes toward left-handedness have improved over time, there are still instances where left-handed people are seen as different. This stigma can affect self-esteem and social interactions, particularly for children who may be forced to switch hands in school or at home. Left-handedness remains one of the most intriguing aspects of human biology, with its causes still not fully understood. While genetics, brain structure, and prenatal conditions all contribute to determining whether a person will be left-handed, the exact interplay of these factors is still being studied. The unique characteristics of left-handed people, from their creativity and problem-solving abilities to their enhanced spatial awareness, highlight the fascinating diversity of human brains. Despite the challenges that left-handed individuals may face in a world designed for right-handed people, their contributions to society, especially in the arts, sciences, and sports, demonstrate the value of embracing differences and celebrating the variety of cognitive and physical traits that make us human.